Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how you can deploy Appy Pie Livechat widget on your Godaddy's website. Log into your Godaddy account and click on My Products tab under the Account User drop-down menu in the top left. Next, select the website and then click on Edit Website to open the website builder. Now scroll down and select the spot where you would like to deploy your Livechat widget on your Godaddy website and then click on the Add Section button. Search for the HTML option here and select Add to embed it, the Livechat widget code. Now let's obtain the widget code. Log into your Appy Pie's Livechat account, go to the Setup section and copy the widget code from here. Once you copy the code, go back to the Godaddy website builder tab and paste the widget code in the custom code field. You can also provide a title for your widget in the title field and also adjust the height of your Livechat widget using the force height field, so that the widget window opens up properly on the website. Once you have provided the details, click Done. Now you can publish to go live with changes or click on the preview button to see the Livechat widget on your Godaddy website. You can now test your Livechat widget by scrolling down to the section where you added the Livechat widget. Now click on the Appy Pie Livechat widget icon here to open the Livechat widget. This is how you can deploy the Livechat widget on your Godaddy website. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.